Chariot! Chure! Okay. Ano pa yun? Paano ready? Wala na. Okay. Okay, you ready na, baby girl?
Okay, ready to fight. Pero may bad guy na, paano mo fight?
Wag mo na fight. Yung stance mo muna. Yung ginawa mo yung walk-walk.
Paano ba yan?
Oh, shit!
Ayan. Ayan.
May box pa rin pa eh. Get set, go!
Hiya!
Balik.
Balik naman.
Hiya!
Finish na?
You're the bad.
Okay, the bad guy. Ano ka pa? Okay. Ganyan ba mag-fight? Paano ba? Di ba dapat naka-ganon? Ganyan naka-ready.
Hiya!
Oh! Uy, tumba ka.
I'm gonna chop you! Okay, I'm gonna love you na.
Ang galing.
Okay, long. Ikot ito siya tulang. Hindi ka na pala. Sunod siya. Long siya. Okay? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Kailangan natin tayo para hindi mo nagkakayahan. Alright? I need to hear your voice. Okay, dapat masaya tayo dito. Tayo sa prayer meeting. One more time. Go hands, feet, that, and alright? Okay, 10 times. 3, 2, 1, everyone go. 1, 2. Very good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Standing up tall. Into 2 hands, touch your toes, knee straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Touch your nose. 10, 9, 8, up and down. 7, 6, 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second set. Okay, so relax. Basta. Oh, that's wrong. It's not running enemies. Ready? Dapat may stretch sa singit or sa third thighs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ikaw touching left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Toes up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As you do it, mas madali split, so open your legs wide. Elbows to the floor, go. Touch your up, listening. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now hands to the toes, nose to the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Hands to the toes, nose to the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it painful? Okay. Because your body is not used to it, diba? Hindi sanay. But you can become more flexible. Left leg front. Go ahead, side, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One for up, bend forward, nose, touch your nose to the floor and elbows to the floor, go. Slow sit down, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Close your legs and bounce your knees, shake. Sideways or bounce your knees. Point your toes forward, toes pointed forward, toes forward, toes pulled back, flex, point again forward. Very important, this movement, point your toes forward and toes, pull your toes back. Again, toes forward and toes back. Touch your toes knee straight. 2, 3, 4. Knee straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butterfly stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nose to your toes. Slide your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Left leg. Ready? Again. Middle punch again. 3 times. Left hand. 1. Pull. 2. Pull. 1. Right hand. Pull. 2. Pull. And 3. Pull. Okay. Alternate na. Alternate means kabilaan. Punch. Kung gano'n kabilis yung punch, gano'n kabilis yung pull. Same time, other side, other hand. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, shout 10. Ha! Ha! Okay, good job. Alright. Yeah, alright, ready? Okay, 1. Yeah. Prepare. Pull and then again. 2 movements. 1 and 2. Swing again. 1, 2. 2 more times. Prepare. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Together. Go 1. Prepare. Oh, not outside, not far. In front. 2. Yeah, good job. Prepare. 3. Power and stop. Prepare. 4. Shout. 5. Ha! Very good. 1.